I'm Tomas Chaigneau, and I'm a lecturer of social sciences for our environment at the Environment and Sustainability Institute at the University of Exeter. And we're here in Porthleven, which is a great case study for the type of work I'm interested in. So I'm really interested in this relationship between humans and the environment. How is it that they derive well-being from the coastal environment, for example? To what extent it contributes to well-being, but a very holistic view of well-being. Not just the monetary aspects, but to start thinking about different aspects of well-being, such as health, physical security, relationships, participation, and so on. So quite recently I've been to Eastern Africa in coastal villages, and what we found when asking about how important the natural environment was for different people is that actually they benefit in a whole host of different ways. On the one hand, from selling fish or maybe eating fish, but on the other, just sitting in the shade under a mangrove tree. And this is really important when we're thinking about how to manage the environment for different people now, so that we manage it in a fair way, but also it says a lot about how we should manage the environment for the future and for the future generations.
It's really nice to have researchers as your lecturers because they understand what it's like to do research and to introduce that into what they're teaching.
It was really cool to work with Tomas, and he, I think, really is on our level and really understands us, and he was talking about well-being, which is the sort of subjects that I'm interested in, and he was talking about interviews, which are what I want to use my dissertation for, so he was really helpful.
He's just a very nice, Tomas Chaigneau is very nice. He's just, I had all of these fears that I went to him with about my dissertation. He basically sorted me out with everything about it.
I really enjoy being able to sit down with someone for maybe an hour, 2 hours, and discuss, for example, what it means for them to live well, what is happiness for them, what is well-being, what does the environment mean to them, what are their views on different things, and really seeing the world through different people's eyes and having the chance to write that up and compare these responses with other responses and to make sense out of that. Being by the coast has always been something that's been very important to me. So to being able to move down to Penryn and to be based in Falmouth is really a dream come true. For at least a few years of your life, to be able to see some of the most truly amazing beaches, for example, and to be able to go on coastal path walks, have bonfires in the evening, is really quite special.
You actually get to know people that live here, and you get to know people in the community, and there's just so many different opportunities and activities that you can do.
So if this is the kind of thing you're interested in, come and study at the University of Exeter.